Hello and welcome to a new SharePoint video. Recently, I successfully published the Data Card View app to the Microsoft Marketplace. Now I have extended the solution with a big feature. Now it is possible to design cards with the support of AI, meaning with Copilot directly in the app. This makes the design and creation of adaptive cards super easy for every user. Let me quickly show you this feature in action. First, I add the app to the page. So I choose my app here from the available apps. And now I have the task that I have to do to configure this web part. As I explained already in the first video, you'll find the link to the first video also in this video description. I choose here at first the data source. So I have to search for the site. I choose my make your own lob site. And then I have to select my list for my data that I want to display here. And I choose Kontakte. And then I define my list items. So I want to see only 2 items from this list. And then I switch the output format to adaptive cards. And this UI component here at the top is new. Here we have a chat UI to communicate with Copilot. Here I define my desired layout and I have prepared a prompt, of course. My prompt is create an adaptive card layout and show the user profile image on the right side. Put all other data on the left. So I'm going to send this prompt to Copilot and then we have to wait a little bit. Wow, the result is back and as you can see, the layout is adjusted. No more manual work is necessary here. And I can change the layout, of course. Let me refine layout. So now we see we have the picture on the right as expected and other data here on the left side. And he comes back with the description what he did with our layout. Very good. Yeah? Adaptive card layouts updated. The layout uses 2 columns, adaptive card design. The left column contains all profile information and so on and so on and so on. Now I have prepared another prompt to adjust the layout a little bit. Please keep the layout but show the image on the left side instead of the right side. So I send it again to Copilot. Wow, amazing, very handy and straightforward. The layout is adjusted as I described and he answers us with a description. Adaptive card layout updated. The layout preserves the original 2 column structure but moves the profile image to the left side. The left column uses auto width and contains only the profile image displays as person style image and so on and so on. And of course, you can also change this layout here manually here when you go to the adaptive card editor here. So this new release will be available in the marketplace. I assume it's the end of the next week. It depends on the approval process. But keep in mind that you need a valid Copilot license for this additional feature.